Amazon leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S10 lineup are picking up the pace as we head into 2019. A post discovered on Weibo by Twitter tipster S10 allegedly reveals a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The accessory includes two cutouts in the upper right corner to match the in-screen camera sensors for the phone's infinity or display. The bezels are thinner than the seen on the last year's model, and the top bezel has a cutout for the speaker. The phone will also feature curved edges. In addition, the same Weibo page shows images comparing the bezels on the Galaxy S10 Plus screen protectors with the bezels found on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the Apple iPhone 8. Back in October, there was talk that the Galaxy S10 Plus will carry a screen-to-body ratio of 93.4%. That compares with the 83.7% on the Galaxy S9 Plus, 84.3% ratio on the iPhone XS Max, and the 87.8% screen-to-body ratio of the Mate 20 Pro. A browser benchmark test also provided data indicating that the Galaxy S10 Plus will feature thin bezels and a 99 aspect ratio. In case of turning a curse into a blessing, Samsung has found a way to make in-display infinity O camera in the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus somewhat more interesting and useful. As demonstrated on the Samsung Galaxy A8 test, Samsung has used the live pixels around the camera to add some animations which fire when the camera is active or being used for facial recognition or unlock. The animation can be seen in action in this short video from S10. While the feature is being demonstrated on the Samsung Galaxy A8 test, files found in Android 5 built for the Galaxy Note 9 shows that the feature will also be available on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. While the feature is currently limited to showing the front-facing camera is active, many are suggesting the S10 Plus AMOLED screen would allow other users such as using it as a notification light or battery charger indicator. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.